Bouncing Tcherkessia. Now the Bouncing Tcherkessia, the two most common places you're going to see it are Kol HaMasameach, which is the war dance, and Shouts of Joy. Now, and many other fast songs, which, you know, just require a fast one, in and out, just like that. So that's what Bouncing Tcherkessia is. It's just real fast, just like that. And it's a regular Tcherkessia, but it's got some bounce to it, so that's why it's called Bouncing Tcherkessia, actually. So the basic move for a Bouncing Tcherkessia is a regular right Tcherkessia. If you want to go to the first video in this series about how to do that, you can, but I'll give you a refresher now. So it's just a right, I'll do it this way. So it's just a right forward, left step, right back, and then left place. So it's just forward and back, and that's the 4 beats. So, but with a Bouncing Tcherkessia, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So each time you jump down, each foot goes down in a bounce. So it's just really bouncy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, in and back, in and back, just like that. And actually, I'd recommend wearing really good supportive shoes when you do that type of move, or any type of fast choreography. But that is what you do with the Bouncing Tcherkessia. Now, for most of the instances that I've seen a Bouncing Tcherkessia, the arms are just a regular Tcherkessia move. So it's just right, forward, and then down, forward, and then down. Or it can be down, either way. Okay, so I'm going to have you do the Bouncing Tcherkessia with me. So when you're ready, on 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. That's Bouncing Tcherkessia. Thank you for watching this Tcherkessia dance tutorial video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below or send me an email. I would love to hear from you. Now, if there's a Tcherkessia that I have not put into this Tcherkessia series, please let me know. I would love to make a video for you explaining how to do it. And if there's a type of Tcherkessia that I did not put into this Tcherkessia series, please let me know. I want to make sure that you are comfortable on the dance floor with every type of Tcherkessia possible. I want you to be the best that you can be. So thank you for watching, and until next time, go forth in the dance.